Surah Al-Jathiyah, the kneeling. This surah is Meccan, containing 4 sections and 37 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
حميم.
Hamim.
تنزيل الكتاب من الله العزيز الحكيم.
The revelation of the book is from Allah, the most exalted, the most wise.
إن في السماوات والأرض لآيات للمؤمنين.
Surely in the heavens and the earth are signs for the people of faith.
وفي خلقكم وما يبث من دابة آيات لقوم يوقنون.
And in your creation and the beasts which He spreads are signs for the people who are certain.
واختلاف الليل والنهار وما أنزل الله من السماء من رزق فأحيا به الأرض بعد موتها وتصريف الرياح آيات لقوم يعقلون.
And in the alternation of the night and day, and the means of sustenance, i.e., water, which Allah sends down from the sky, so He brought the earth to life with it after its death. And in the motions of the winds there are signs for the people of intelligence.
تلك آيات الله نتلوها عليك بالحق فبأي حديث بعد الله وآياته يؤمنون.
These are the signs of Allah which we recite to you with the truth. So which statement will you believe in other than Allah and His signs?
ويل لكل أفاك أثيم.
Woe to every major slanderer and most sinful individual.
يسمع آيات الله تتلى عليه ثم يصر مستكبرا كأن لم يسمعها فبشره بعذاب أليم.
He who hears the verses of Allah which are recited to him, then he persists in arrogance, as if he did not even hear them. Give him glad tidings of a painful punishment.
وَإِذَا عَلِمَ مِنْ آيَاتِنَا شَيْئًا اتَّخَذَهَا هُزُوًا أُولَئِكَ لَهُمْ عَذَابٌ مُهِينٌ.
And when he comes to know anything from our verses, he makes a mockery of it. There is humiliating punishment for them.
مِنْ وَرَائِهِمْ جَهَنَّمُ وَلَا يُغْنِي عَنْهُمْ مَا كَسَبُوا شَيْئًا وَلَا مَا اتَّخَذُوا مِنْ دُونِ اللَّهِ أَوْلِيَاءَ وَلَهُمْ عَذَابٌ عَظِيمٌ.
Hell is behind them, and what they earned will not avail them at all, nor will those whom they have taken as helpers other than Allah, and there is great punishment for them.
هذا هدى والذين كفروا بآيات ربهم لهم عذاب من رجز أليم.
This is guidance, and those who disbelieved in the verses of their Lord, there is severe punishment for them from painful torment.
الله الذي سخر لكم البحر لتجري الفلك فيه بأمره ولتبتغوا من فضله ولعلكم تشكرون.
Allah is He who granted you control over the sea, that ships may sail therein with His command, and so that you may seek His grace, and that you may be grateful.
وسخر لكم ما في السماوات وما في الأرض جميعا منه إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يتفكرون.
And He made everything that is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth subservient to you from Himself. In this are signs for people who contemplate.
قل للذين آمنوا يغفروا للذين لا يرجون أيام الله ليجزي قوما بما كانوا يكسبون.
Say to those who believe to forgive those who do not hope for the days of Allah, that He may recompense a nation for what they used to earn.
من عمل صالحا فلنفسه ومن أساء فعليها ثم إلى ربكم ترجعون.
Whosoever performs a righteous deed, then that is for himself. And whomsoever commits an evil deed, then that is against himself. Then you will be returned to your Lord.
ولقد آتينا بني إسرائيل الكتاب والحكم والنبوة ورزقناهم من الطيبات وفضلناهم على العالمين.
And we certainly gave the book and the kingdom and prophethood to the children of Israel, and we endowed them with pure sustenance, and we granted them excellence over the people of their era.
وآتيناهم بينات من الأمر فما اختلفوا إلا من بعد ما جاءهم العلم بغيا بينهم إن ربك يقضي بينهم يوم القيامة فيما كانوا فيه يختلفون.
And we gave them clear evidence of the law, so they only disputed after knowledge had come to them out of jealousy among themselves. Your Lord will judge between them on the day of judgment about that which they were disputing.
ثم جعلناك على شريعة من الأمر فاتبعها ولا تتبع أهواء الذين لا يعلمون.
Then we placed you upon the exceptional way of the law, so adhere to it, and do not pursue the desires of those who do not know.
إنهم لن يغنوا عنك من الله شيئا وإن الظالمين بعضهم أولياء بعض والله ولي المتقين.
They will not avail you in any way against Allah, and the oppressors are friends for one another, and Allah is the friend of the pious.
هذا بصائر للناس وهدى ورحمة لقوم يوقنون.
These are illuminating signs for mankind, and guidance and mercy for the people who are certain.
أم حسب الذين اجترحوا السيئات أن نجعلهم كالذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات سواء محياهم ومماتهم ساء ما يحكمون.
Do those who committed sins think that we will make them like those who believed and performed righteous deeds? Is their living and their dying equal? What an evil judgment they make.
وخلق الله السماوات والأرض بالحق ولتجزى كل نفس بما كسبت وهم لا يظلمون.
And Allah created the heavens and the earth with the truth, and so that every soul is recompensed for what it earned, and they shall not be oppressed.
أفرأيت من اتخذ إلهه هواه وأضله الله على علم وختم على سمعه وقلبه وجعل على بصره غشاوة فمن يهديه من بعد الله أفلا تذكرون.
Do observe, he who made his desire his God, and Allah left him to stray knowingly, and placed a seal upon his ears and his heart, and placed a veil over his eyes. So who will guide him after Allah? Do you not heed advice?
وقالوا ما هي إلا حياتنا الدنيا نموت ونحيا وما يهلكنا إلا الدهر وما لهم بذلك من علم إن هم إلا يظنون.
And they said, there is only our life in this world. We die and we live, and only time destroys us. And they have no knowledge of that. They only speculate.
وَإِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُنَا بَيِّنَاتٍ مَا كَانَ حُجَّتَهُمْ إِلَّا أَن قَالُوا ائْتُوا بِآبَائِنَا إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ.
And when our clear verses are recited to them, their only argument is this, that they say, bring forth our forefathers if you are truthful.
قُلِ اللَّهُ يُحْيِيكُمْ ثُمَّ يُمِيتُكُمْ ثُمَّ يَجْمَعُكُمْ إِلَى يَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَ النَّاسِ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ.
Say, Allah gives you life, then He will cause you to die. Then He shall gather you on the day of judgment in which there is no doubt. However, most people do not know.
وَلِلَّهِ مُلْكُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَيَوْمَ تَقُومُ السَّاعَةُ يَوْمَئِذٍ يَخْسَرُ الْمُبْطِلُونَ.
And to Allah belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth. And the day, the hour shall come to pass. On that day, the people of falsehood will be in loss.
وَتَرَى كُلَّ أُمَّةٍ جَاثِيَةً كُلُّ أُمَّةٍ تُدْعَى إِلَى كِتَابِهَا الْيَوْمَ تُجْزَوْنَ مَا كُنتُمْ تَعْمَلُونَ.
And you shall see every nation fallen upon its knees, every nation will be called towards its record of deeds. This day you shall be recompensed for what you used to do.
هذا كتابنا ينطق عليكم بالحق إنا كنا نستنسخ ما كنتم تعملون.
This is our book, which relates the truth to you. We were writing all that you used to do.
فأما الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات فيدخلهم ربهم في رحمته ذلك هو الفوز المبين.
As for those who believed and performed righteous deeds, so their Lord shall make them enter his mercy. This is clear success.
وأما الذين كفروا أفلم تكن آياتي تتلى عليكم فاستكبرتم وكنتم قوما مجرمين.
And as for those who disbelieved, it will be said to them, were my verses not recited to you? Then you resorted to arrogance, and you were transgressing people?
وإذا قيل إن وعد الله حق والساعة لا ريب فيها قلتم ما ندري ما الساعة إن نظن إلا ظنا وما نحن بمستيقنين.
And when it was said, indeed the promise of Allah is true, and there is no doubt about the hour, you said, we do not know what the hour is. We only assume it is speculation and we are not certain.
وَبَدَا لَهُمْ سَيِّئَاتُ مَا عَمِلُوا وَحَاقَ بِهِم مَّا كَانُوا بِهِ يَسْتَهْزِئُونَ.
And the evils of their deeds shall become obvious to them, and they will be beset by that which they were mocking.
وَقِيلَ الْيَوْمَ نَنسَاكُمْ كَمَا نَسِيتُمْ لِقَاءَ يَوْمِكُمْ هَذَا وَمَأْوَاكُمُ النَّارُ وَمَا لَكُمْ مِن نَاصِرِينَ.
And it shall be said, this day we will forsake you just as you forgot the meeting of this day of yours. And the fire is your abode, and you have no helpers.
ذَلِكُمْ بِأَنَّكُمُ اتَّخَذْتُمْ آيَاتِ اللَّهِ هُزُوًا وَغَرَّتْكُمُ الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا فَالْيَوْمَ لَا يُخْرَجُونَ مِنْهَا وَلَا هُمْ يُسْتَعْتَبُونَ.
This is because you made a mockery of the verses of Allah, and the life of this world deceived you. So this day they shall not be taken out of it, i.e. the fire, and they will not be asked to please Allah.
فَلِلَّهِ الْحَمْدُ رَبِّ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَرَبِّ الْأَرْضِ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ.
So to Allah belongs all excellence, Lord of the heavens and Lord of the earth, Lord of all the worlds.
وَلَهُ الْكِبْرِيَاءُ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الْحَكِيمُ.
And supremacy in the heavens and the earth belongs to Him, and He is the most exalted, the most wise.